In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Zotero citations. If you manage your research in Zotero and need to share references with a colleague, move them into another tool, or back them up in a standard format, exporting your citations is quick and reliable. I'll walk you through the exact process and explain the choices you'll see along the way so you can pick the right format for your needs. First, open Zotero on your computer. We're working in the desktop app here, not the web library. Give it a moment to load your collections and items. It helps to confirm you're on the latest version so export options match what you expect, but the steps are the same across recent releases. With Zotero open, look to the top of the screen and click File. On Windows, that's in the top left of the Zotero window. On macOS, you'll find File in the menu bar at the very top of your screen once Zotero is the active app. This menu contains actions for managing your library, including the export features we need. From the File menu, choose Export Library. This action will export your entire library of items, including the metadata needed by other reference managers. If your goal is to share everything you've collected, this is the right choice. Zotero will then open a dialog to configure how the export should look. Next, choose the format. This is an important decision because different tools prefer different standards. Here are the common options you'll likely see: RIS, which is widely supported by many reference managers and journal submission systems; BibTeX, popular in LaTeX workflows; Zotero RDF, which preserves Zotero-specific data and is best for moving between Zotero installations; and CSL JSON, ideal for programmatic use or citation processors that read CSL data. Pick the format that matches where you plan to use the file. You may also see checkboxes for things like including notes, abstracts, or linked files. Turn these on if the destination system can use that extra information. If you're unsure, you can leave them unchecked for a leaner export. When you're satisfied with the format and options, click OK. Your computer will prompt you to name the exported file and choose where to save it. Select a clear location, like your project folder or desktop, and confirm. Zotero will create the file with the correct extension for the format you chose. That's it. You've exported your Zotero citations and they're ready to share or import elsewhere. Keep this file with your project and repeat the process anytime you update your library and need a fresh export.